Okay, so I'm just creating this really quick video to show you how to go about signing up for our AP exam test prep sessions. I know I mentioned in class that I would have a sign-up sheet on the back bulletin board, and I decided to use this website instead. This is the same website that your parents use to sign up for parent-teacher conferences, and I played around with it a little bit, and I thought it would work really well for this purpose. So when you click the link in Schoology, this is the site that it takes you to. This is very specific to us. You do not need to have an account. You do not need to sign up or log in any way. All you need to do is go to this link, and this is what you'll see. It does have a date here of December 22nd, and I have that set. That's the last date that we'll be doing this. I wanted to actually create all of our events in one page, so I just had to give it a date. When you look here, you will see these slots. Now these are all of the Eagle blocks that we'll be doing test prep sessions, and you'll see this number 37 next to them, and what that means is that I can accept 37 different signups for each of those events. Obviously I have 37 students. I want to make sure that everybody can sign up for each one of them should they so choose. These dates might change if we have snow in the near future, and if that is the case, I will change these dates as necessary in the Signupgenius account. It is still going to be A days and E days whenever those happen to fall. So if you want to sign up for a test prep session, you simply need to click here in this little checkbox and click down here, submit and sign up. When you do that, it takes you to this page. Now the first thing you need to do is choose quantity 1, because there's only one of you, and you need to tell me whether or not you need a pass. So yes, you need a pass because you are signed up for another Eagle block, or no, you don't need a pass because either you're already in here that day or you have privilege. So yes, you do need a pass, or no, that you don't. You do not need to say that you're a Signupgenius member unless you are, which I highly doubt. So you want to click here, which is the default. I do not have a Signupgenius account. You want to put in your name, both first and last, and that's all you need to do. I do not need your email address. You'll notice first and last name are required. Email is not. That's not important at all. You do not need to create an account at Signupgenius. You do not need to send a confirmation email with a link to put it in. All you got to do is click sign up now. And then it tells me that your sign up has been added. It will actually email me and tell me that you signed up. And then you can just click here to return to sign up. And you will see that 1 out of 37 slots is now filled by a student. And so you will see that name, and that's about it. And then somebody else can come in, and on this very same day, they can sign themselves up as well, going through the same process. If you do want to sign up for more than one session, you're going to have to repeat that process for each of the sessions that you want to come to. I'm simply requesting that you do this sign up so I know how many students to expect on each of these days, so I can know in terms of how many copies I'm going to need. So like I said, even if you're already scheduled with me for Eagle Block on these days, please do this sign up anyhow, just so I can be sure that I know exactly who I'm expecting to have. I'm going to require you to do this at least a day in advance. If you come to me on the day that the test prep session is being held right before Eagle Block and you ask me for a pass, I'm going to tell you no. I really need to make sure that you're planning ahead of time for being here. If you need a pass, I will have it for you in class the day before, or the day before that, whenever I'm going to see you to make sure you have what you need to be able to come.